station is South Brisbane. Access is 09 August 1. Speaking with Simon, 486. Please enter the business and on 9 or 6. This is used to see the price. For shopping tips, please enter the website. Central station, it is a station, located in Customers required convenience funds allocated on the doors. Whole new, please change trains at Park Road. Now arriving at Park Road Station. If this is your station, prepare to disembark. This train now runs express to Beenleigh, stopping only at Altandi and Loganley. Customers are reminded the exit buttons are located in the middle of the doors.
Park Road Station, platform left-hand side in direction travel. Customers for the all stations Beenleigh train or the Cleveland services, please change here. This is a Gold Coast train. This train will now run express to Beenleigh, stopping only at Altandi and Loganley.
Please stand clear. This is a Gold Coast train, running express to Beenleigh, stopping only at Altandi and Loganley, and then stopping all stations to Varsity Lakes. The next station is Altandi. At Queensland Rail, we care about our customers' safety and want you to travel with care. So please, plan ahead for your journey and arrive early at your station. Always use the handrail on our stairs and escalators. And if you're travelling with luggage or large items, please use the lifts where available. For more information, visit qr.com.au/travelwithcare.